In 3, 2, 1, dive!
Starting off qualification match 5, 2584, placing an L4 Coral, 6657, L1 for the Red Alliance. Flame of the West has an algae, and they place it in the net in autonomous. 12 to 10, Red has a slight lead going into Teleop. Team 4 lining up with the Red Reef. High Tide with a Coral in hand, taking an algae off, picking up the algae. Oh, they dropped the Coral. Team 4 trying to remove algae from the Red Reef, while 8768 drops a Coral, but it lands in L1. High Tide has a Coral stuck in their robot. They're currently holding an algae. 6657 picks up a Coral. Looks like it may also be stuck. They get it out. 3598 lining up with the Blue Reef with a Coral. They get it on L4. High Tide trying to get that algae out of their butt next to the processor. They get it out, but the algae pops out of the processor. Team 4 removing more algae from the Red Reef. High Tide with a Coral lining up with the Blue Reef. Oh, they're now picking up an algae from the ground. 8768 with a Coral lining up. Oh, it drops and falls down. High Tide gets that algae in the Red processor. They now have a Coral, picking up an algae. Gonna try to get that algae in the processor again. Can they do it? Yes, they do. 3598 seems to be lining up to climb with 45 seconds to go. Blue is in the lead by a solid margin, but Red could still pick this up. Team 4 Element picking up an algae from their reef. We have 8768 trying to place an L4 Coral. Algae in the Red Alliance's processor. "20 seconds to go. Blue in the lead, 82 to 48. Algae up in the red net. Another algae up in the red net, all from the human player. High Tide is now lining up to climb in the blue barge zone. We have 5 seconds to go. Can they make it up? 2, 1. Winning 96 to 73. The Blue Alliance getting the barge bonus ranking point, and the Red Alliance getting the autonomous bonus ranking point.